Hey there! Let's talk about an awesome trading tool called the Volume Profile Plus Pivot Levels by ChartPrime. This thing blends volume analysis with key price action turning points, all while keeping your chart super clean and easy to read. I'm gonna walk you through what this indicator does and how you can use it to level up your trading. If you find this helpful, give it a quick like. To get started, head over to TradingView, the platform I'm using. If you don't have an account yet, there's a sign-up link down in the description. Pick your favorite market and time frame, click the Indicators tab, and search for Volume Profile Plus Pivot Levels by my favorite, ChartPrime. Big shout out to them, by the way. Then add it to your chart and you're ready to roll. Alright folks, meet the mighty Volume Profile Plus Pivot Point Levels. In a nutshell, it creates a rolling volume profile over a set look-back period, highlights the point of control or POC, and filters out the weak pivots so only the ones with real market action show up as levels that extend forward and disappear after price touches them. It's like a clean map combining structure and liquidity. Let's break down what you see on the chart. Because every element is pulling its weight. On the left, there's a volume profile built over the last 200 bars by default, split into 50 bins from the highest high to the lowest low. Instead of clunky boxes, it uses a smooth line to show the volume distribution, keeping your chart light and fast. Each bin tracks actual traded volume, so you're seeing where the real action happened, not just where price wandered. Inside that profile, you've got the POC, the price level with the most volume in the window. It's marked with a line stretching to the latest bar, tagged with a label showing the exact volume. Don't want it? You can hide the POC in the settings. You'll notice the profile shifts between teal and maroon colors. That's the delta coloring app work, tracking buy versus sell volume over the period. Teal means buyers are in charge, maroon means sellers are running the show. Those horizontal lines across the candles, they're not just any swings. They're pivots that pass the volume test. The system spots raw pivots using a default 10-bar lookback on each side to find swing highs and lows, then checks if they have enough volume compared to the POC. Only strong ones make the cut and appear as dotted lines that extend forward until price hits them. Then they vanish to keep your chart clean. Each level comes with a label showing the bin's volume and its percentage of the POC volume, arranged neatly for quick reading. Together, the profile shape, delta colors, POC line, and these vetted pivot levels give you a clear map of where markets likely to react without all the usual clutter. Now, let's hit the settings to customize it. The period setting controls how far back the profile looks. Longer for smoother, steadier reads, shorter for more reactive but noisier ones. Resolution sets the number of bins, higher for sharper detail, lower for broader view. You can toggle the POC line on or off, and the display setting lets you show or hide pivot levels. The length setting adjusts how strict the pivot detection is. Higher for fewer, stronger swings, lower for more. The filter percent decides the volume threshold for pivots. Say 20% of POC volume to show up. Crank it up to focus on high action levels, or lower it for more signals on shorter time frames. Hit OK when you're done. Now, here's how I use it. I start by checking the profile's color and POC for bias. Teal with the profile building near the POC, I'm thinking bullish. Maroon and sloping lower, bearish vibes. Then I watch for the first retest of a new pivot level, since that's where the cleanest moves often happen. For a bullish trade, I need two things: a green profile and POC line showing buyers are in control, and a pivot low that price retest with a wick, followed by bullish signs. For example, a pivot low with 61% of POC's of 58,000 volume, about 35,000, is a hot zone. I used the rectangle tool to mark from the bearish candle's close to the bullish candle's wick low, extending it forward. Wait for price to touch it with a wick or close inside but not below. Below kills the trade. When a big bullish candle like an engulfing one shows up, I go long. Set the stop loss under the wick and aim for 1.5 times the risk. That trade was a winner. For short, come from a bearish bias with a red profile. Then find the pivot high and track it with the rectangle tool from the bullish candle to the wick top. Wait for a wick to hit it. Then look for bearish continuation, like a few growing bearish candles. Enter a short, set the stop loss above the level, and target 1.5 times the risk. That one paid off too. And here's something exciting. If I were you, I wouldn't be spending from my own pocket to trade when you can get funded easily. And how to do that is what my friend Michael is about to tell you.
Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than Funded Next, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Say goodbye to trading under pressure with Funded Next. You trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game with Funded Next. You get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get? Don't pay with our 24-hour payout guarantee. Your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Ready to embark on your journey towards trading success? Join Funded Next today and unleash your trading potential like never before. Contact us now to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next.
In short, this indicator combines liquidity and structure into a clean, self-updating map with a clear POC, delta colors, and vetted pivot levels that vanish after contact. It keeps key zones front and center. This isn't financial advice, just education. Always add your own analysis before trading. If you liked it, drop a like or subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.